Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we will be making a very interesting snack recipe which is Pashtik Semolina Hearts. It is a very healthy recipe, so let's see how to make it.
The ingredients required are, we need 1 cup of Suji or Semolina and 5 cups of milk. Then we need half a cup of flour, gram flour, half cup of refined oil, some chopped veggies like capsicum, peas, cauliflower, carrots and salt, black pepper. We will heat up milk in a kadai, and once it is heated, we will add all our veggies. So in total the quantity of the veggies is approximately 1.5 cup. You can add any other veggies as per your liking and taste. We will cook the veggies till they get soft and tender. We will add half a teaspoon of black pepper and salt as per your taste. Now we will add the refined flour, the refined oil. We will continue stirring it, and we will add the semolina or the suji. As you can see, while we are adding the semolina, we are mixing it simultaneously so that no lumps are formed. Now we will cook it for at least 10 minutes. The material has got thickened and it has left the sides of the kadai. That means it is now ready. We will then grease a plate and we will spread the material on it. As you can see, we have placed the complete material in a plate, and then with the help of a katori we are flattening the surface. That's about it. You can keep the required thickness of the material, but it should be at least half an inch thick. We will keep it in refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Our batter has been set properly. You can see it is smooth, nice and firm. Now with the help of a cookie cutter, we will cut the desired shapes. I have taken a heart shaped cookie cutter, and I will similarly cut all the batter in the heart shaped cutlets, and then we will air fry them. We have preheated our air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius, and now we will put all our semolina heart cutlets inside the air fryer. I have applied little oil on top to give a glazing. That's about it. We will air fry it for 10 minutes initially, and if required we'll increase the timings. We will open up the air fryer and see whether our heart cutlets are ready, and yes, they have got a very nice light goldenish brown color. We will remove it from air fryer and we will plate it. Our Pashtik Semolina Cutlets are now ready to serve. This is a very healthy dish which you can serve to your kids and family, as it includes all the veggies and the healthier semolina. So try making this delicious recipe and let us have your reviews. Thank you.